Hello ATM 101 students, this is Kelsey Snow reporting on the weather from Fairbanks, Alaska. As we can see on the map right here of the world, Fairbanks, Alaska is located in the central part of Alaska, right at the precipice right here of the Tanana River, and it is located inside of the Tanana Valley. My weather observation site is at 1009 O'Connor Road. We can see that it is right across from the Creamersfield State Migratory Bird Refuge. Right here is Noise Slough running right behind my house, and this man-made lake right here as well. So as the week started off, it was pretty cold, and it stayed pretty cold all the way throughout. And if we look at my graph, these two read 0 up here because the thermometer was not able to read past -40, and at my weather station I reached -40 every night. We can see though from observation that on Monday night it was pretty cold, and it stayed cold, and then it got colder on Tuesday, warmed up a little bit on Wednesday, and kind of just stayed at that same plateau all throughout the week. Mostly we were in the -25 to 35 range, with the pressure being pretty high as well. As we look, my barometric pressure read at 1025.8 millibars on Monday, and then dropped down to about 1025 millibars, and then over the next few days jumped up to 130.7, and then up to 136.8, and on my final day of observation it was 1039.6. I was not able to get an average temperature for the week because every night my temperature would drop past the lowest amount that the thermometer could read. On Friday, January 30th of 2015 at 12:55 Alaska Standard Time, the temperature at my weather station was -29.5 on my left probe of my digital thermometer and -29.1 Fahrenheit on my right digital thermometer. The barometric pressure read 1039.6 millibars, or 30.7 inches of moon. The wind was undetectable at ground level, with no trees or branches moving. The power lines were still. Everything was pretty calm on the ground level. But as I looked up into the sky, though, to look at the clouds and the sky cover, I saw that the cloud type were cirrus, and that they were very, very, very slowly moving. And I sat and watched for about 15 to 20 minutes, and they had slightly moved. They were moving in a southeastern direction, which would indicate light winds at a southeast direction. Sky cover was very minimal, between no clouds to a quarter cloud cover. All throughout the week, we experienced inversion in Fairbanks, Alaska, and it was foggy almost every morning when I woke up to go to my classes. As we can see, all of my temperatures read pretty cold. Day 1, it was about -30. Day 2, -36.9, pretty close there. And all throughout the week we stayed between the -25 and the -35 range. Thank you all.